Hi and welcome back to the Totally Awesome Squad. I'm Ruben.
And I'm Kobe.
And I'm Will.
And I'm Finlay.
And we're super excited for today's amazing video. So guys, what do we have to test out today?
Have you seen these Knex sets? They're so awesome.
I'm super excited to build a mega motorcycle.
Check out this Trailrider. It's even got an engine.
Let's get started. So me and Kobe are going to be building the Trailrider.
Finn and I are going to be building the mega motorcycle.
The doors open, the tailgate opens, it has a motor, and it's got over 600 pieces. It's crazy.
You can walk next to it and steer it from the top. It's got working suspension.
These pieces, they're the pieces you need for the first step, so we're going to grab them.
This is so cool. This is how you steer the Trailrider.
Yeah, it's really starting to take shape now.
This is so cool, it even bends. It's already looking cool.
Let's do that.
Can you get slabs for fun?
Yeah, we're going to. Wait, do we have? So we've decided to all work on the mega motorcycle and then we're going to come back and finish the Trailrider. Let's do it. So normally you wouldn't just build this all in one session. Usually it could take you a few days or a few weekends to build.
Yeah, it clips into the middles.
It's quite challenging, but I love a good challenge.
Okay, I got this.
There's the seat, the exhaust pipe, the wheels.
This is a really cool part. This is when the seat comes in. Okay, seat's done. Now it's looking like the mega motorcycle.
I nearly finished this red thingy bobbies.
These, and then we do one more of those.
Okay, this is progressing really well. We're going to move back onto the car.
Wow, look how big these wheels are. Can't wait to get the engine going.
This is progressing really well. It's really starting to take shape now. We're past halfway. We're really close to the finish line now.
Look at how much we've done. We're getting pretty good at this.
We're going to need a bit of magic to finish this off. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, how cool's that?
Insane!
Our magic really paid off.
This is so detailed.
I love the doors.
Look, there's even a little steering wheel.
Look at the motor.
And it says Knex on the back.
Shut the door. Is everybody safely inside? Alright,
Yup.
3, 2, 1, go! Hey!
Oh, that's so cool.
That is insane.
Beep, beep, beep,
Whoa.
We had so much fun with these Knex toys and I love the way the Trailrider turned out.
Check out our freestyles.
This was so fun to build. It's like a little go-kart.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, Squadsters. See you soon.
Bye. Totally awesome squad.